AI has received its fame in the last 2 years with different projects such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Bard, and more. It's been associated with bad and good over the years, and it is only the start. So let's talk about the biggest AI project you might see this year. Suno is an AI music creation program designed to generate realistic sounding and high quality music. Its first release was in December 2023, after the launch of its web application as well as its partnership with Microsoft. But for musicians, Suno is not good news. This program operates by matching songs to text prompts provided by users. Users can also give an input on how they want the music style to be. For example, in this following voice file, I've created a song with the style shoegaze jazz. I provided the lyrics myself, and all I had to do was click the create button. And I believe the result was surprising, nevertheless. And even though the original file was 1 minute and 58 seconds, I've had to cut it short for YouTube. Let me know if you want to hear the full version on Spotify though. And that is another topic I wanted to discuss. Copyright. In frequently asked questions of Suno, it's claimed that you own all the copyright to the songs you create, as long as you're a paying user and also complying with the terms of service of the website. It almost sounds to me like it's too good to be true. Subscription to the service costs $10 per month, in which you receive 2,500 tokens to create music. Every time you hit the create button, 10 tokens are taken from your account. That's 250 different inputs and songs you can get for just $10. And what's even more interesting is, they claim you can upload them to Spotify without any problems. I had my doubts when I first heard that, but I wouldn't have been a good documentary YouTuber if I didn't give it a try myself. I wanted to test if I would be able to pass through the music distribution company's radars and upload instrumental piano songs fully created by Suno onto Spotify. For that, I've created 9 songs with Suno, which a normal human wouldn't be able to distinguish if created by a composer or an AI. I've even made the album cover using AI, this time Microsoft Copilot. And at the end, it all worked out. I was able to upload the music to a distribution platform where I have sent the songs for distribution on all of the available platforms. After waiting around 5 days, I was able to get this music onto Spotify for everyone to hear. Of course, I didn't market the songs, but imagine what other people could create with a proper marketing and some decent AI-generated songs. While doing research for this video, I've eventually found out one of the reasons that the music group UMG has removed their songs from TikTok. In UMG's own words, it's because TikTok is allowing the platform to be flooded with AI-generated recordings while demanding contractual rights that could massively dilute the royalty pool for human artists. After digging some further in this topic, I've eventually found out that it's still not clear if these two companies will ever be able to settle on an agreement, but if they eventually do, this means that the future of music will go 2 ways. AI music will either survive or be banned. In the situation that is banned, the question remains on how it will be reinforced, because sometimes it really isn't clear if an audio is created by AI or not. I guess we will only be able to see how everything moves as time goes on and legal requirements have been set for AI music, which seems like not in the most near future. But what's even more important to you right now should be that you can turn this into your own advantage. Nothing is stopping you right now from creating your own brand that is using this technology as an early adopter and creating an income source with it. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will be creating a documentary-style tutorial explaining you the fine print on how you can turn this technology into your own advantage. That out of the way, let's talk about how this evolution will affect us humans who listen to music on a daily basis. From the perspective of many, this means that you will now be able to create your own music playlist fully customized to your own music taste and not rely on big music companies to release music for you. This will also create new music industries that run on AI. For example, a music company who will do exactly that and create whole playlists full of AI customized songs for everyone who desires such a service. This will also be very accessible for everyone, as everyone will be able to create these musics themselves anyways. We have come such a long way that in early 2000s we were relying on television and media companies for our entertainment. With the foundation of YouTube, creating content has been open to everyone. With a small or a big budget, you can entertain people yourself, or choose who you want to be watching the content of. With the AI revolution, however, this whole concept has once again been changed, and now you can create your own entertainment content yourself. With Sora AI and Suno AI combined, I am very sure people will be able to soon create the AI videos they want to watch and listen to their own AI-generated songs that they have created themselves. With Suno, I've personally created a few songs that I would genuinely listen to on loop for days before getting bored. This technology will only advance in the future. What do you think will happen with AI music until the end of 2025? Make sure to discuss in the comments below. And while you're already scrolling down, please make sure to subscribe. Right now, big companies are scared of AI, but so are small musicians. This might benefit the society in many ways, but also will jeopardize many small artists who helped create this AI to be built in the first place. I personally won't go into detail how I feel about AI music and whether it causes more harm than good, and let you decide it yourselves in the comments. What do you think will happen in the next year for the music industry? Will it be good or bad? These are questions you can also discuss down in the comments. Thank you everyone for watching my first ever YouTube documentary. This was Broak.